wondered if there was alligators in here, and there's one right there. Huh. Well, I don't like that at all, so I think I'll just go this way. No gator bothering me. You stay over there, buddy. I'll stay over here out your way. Yeah. I'm talking about. I'm doing something a little different today. I'm going to start out with my hopper. I think my friend called it a hopper plopper. Alright, I hope I can do this without messing with my see movement. I've never done a fly rod sitting down. Fly rod with a chest cam. A little different. I think I should have got out farther. I think I'll go out farther before I start this. Do some investigating first. Yeah. Wow. Ooh. Big old mullet. Okay, we're just going to put the fathom works to a little bit of work this morning. I was getting frustrated using the fly rod sitting down. It's a little scary when you're in the kayak. When you know there's gators in here. The bubbles come up by you. This is deeper than I thought. I forgot my anchor. I always forget my anchor. So, it might be off. Feels like it's off. Slingshot. I got my bump. And I quit. Oh, dang it. There's right there. Dang.
couldn't hook it very good because it just got off. Come unbuttoned. Dang it. Didn't get a hook set. Didn't get a hook set. It was small. I don't know if I like this camera on my chest. Kind of sucks for me. I don't know if it does for y'all. Might be able to hear me better. A lot of trees in here. Clumps of uneven land. A lot of structure. Man, I wish I would not have forgotten my... Okay, we're hooked up. Oh, we're unhooked. Okay, we're changing this. Oh, you know what? I can't change the hook. Oh my gosh. We're gonna go through this all day long because I didn't bring the pack of hooks that I need. Ah, she. Okay, well, we'll just hope for the best. Live and learn. Live and learn. Well. Didn't bring the hooks I need. Wasn't very bright, was it? Not much can be better than this. Temperatures are nice. Just a light breeze blowing. Yeah. Thank you, Lord. Got us a nice pickle. I don't think the camera was on when I reeled it in. I think I had turned it off. I know I turned it off. But anyway, this is what we got. Yeah. Very nice. Thank you, Lord. Oh, that's my hand. He didn't want to wait for any CPR. He just did it. The bird just swooped down and got him some lunch. See movement? Right there. Well, we got another one in the boat, but me, dummy, forgot to pack the camera batteries, and my battery on my GoPro keeps cutting off because it's dead. But I am getting this little bit of footage of it.